Today we're going to be taking a look at this Lavalier lapel mic made by Paladou. This lapel mic features a 360-degree omnidirectional microphone. The cable is foil shielded to reduce noise interference. The microphone is designed to capture audio on mobile devices, PCs, Macs, and cameras. No batteries are required, and it comes with a 70-inch extension cable and a storage bag. With that being said, let's go ahead and run that intro video and jump right into the unboxing. Hey there, my name is Adrian with ProjectRamos.com and dealsbypr.com. On this channel I do tech reviews, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. We get an instruction manual. We get a real nice carrying case with the company name silkscreened here. And the case is reinforced so that it'll provide a little more protection there. Inside the case, we find the microphone. We also find the extension cable. And the extension cable does come with a rubber tie. The microphone also comes with a rubber tie. We get two windscreens for the mic, and we get an adapter for the microphone as well. And that is it for the contents of the carrying case of this microphone. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to plug this into our camera and test out the audio of this Lavalier microphone. So we have now switched over to the Lavalier mic that we're reviewing here. And we are connected directly to our DSLR camera. It's a Canon 80D. And we're using the extension cable with this lav mic, being that I'm at a considerable distance here from the camera. So we're connected directly into the camera, and we will review the quality of this audio right after we're done shooting this segment of the review. But so far it seems that the camera is picking up the audio very well, and it seems that the extension cable, when we were monitoring through our headphones, was not introducing any interference. So the shielded cable feature is helping to reduce any interference from getting into the signal path of this microphone. For demonstration purposes, we have eliminated the extension cable and plugged directly into a Zoom H5 recorder. So it's the lav mic cable going directly to a Zoom H5 recorder and picking up the audio for us, just to see if there's any sound difference between plugging directly to the mic or using the extension cable and plugging directly into our DSLR. So once we review this segment of the video, we will be back with our final thoughts of this microphone. Now that we've unboxed, set up, and tested this microphone, let's go over our final thoughts. First, let's talk about the construction and design of this microphone. The mic portion of it is made out of metal. So when it comes to it being constructed in a way that feels like it's going to last, this microphone is made very well. It has a real nice strain relief at the end connecting to the cable, and the cable is fairly thick and rigid. It feels like it's very high quality premium cable, and that's due in part because the cable does have a foil shield inside, so that adds to the sturdiness of this cable. So the cable overall does feel like it's built really well, and at the ends of the connection points, these strain reliefs, they're real thick. It has a real thick plastic piece on there so that it'll prevent any breaks at the end of the cable. So overall, I think the microphone and the extension cable and the cable coming out of the mic, they're built really well. The only drawback that I found with the design of this microphone is that it doesn't swivel. So as you can tell, the microphone is kind of pointing to the side here, and that's really the only option that I have wearing this mic on a t-shirt. Now if I had a like, let's say a sports coat or something that has a seam coming down the side of me, then I would be able to pin this microphone this way and the mic would be facing up. And when the mic is facing up, it'll be able to capture my voice a lot better than when the microphone is facing to the side. So if you are wearing a t-shirt such as the way I am right now, the only choice I have is to wear the microphone in a way that the mic is only going to be facing off to the side. So if you can tell here, I'll keep speaking, and as I turn the microphone up, you can hear how my voice is picked up better than when the microphone is hanging off to the side. So design wise, I think if the manufacturer can design it in a way where the microphone can swivel so that when you're wearing t-shirts you can point the microphone up, I think that would help with the sound quality of this microphone. But overall, I think it captures my voice very well, even though the mic is going off to the side. And in some cases, you actually want the mic going off to the side because it cuts down on sibilance. So if you know anything about microphones, you know that sometimes the position of the microphone can introduce a lot of sibilance. So every time the person says any harsh S's, if the microphone is pointed at your mouth in a certain angle, different mics respond differently. So a lot of times the mic, when it's pointed right towards your mouth, it picks up a lot of those harsh S's. So in order to solve those issues, what a lot of sound engineers will do is point the microphone away from the mouth. So kind of like the way this lav mic is pointed off to the side. So it's not necessarily a bad thing, but being that you don't have a choice and the microphone is fixed in one direction, that's the only portion of it that I think could be improved with this microphone. That way you have options. So right now, I think for our testing purposes, I think the microphone is performing okay the way it is facing that way, but I would like the option to be able to point it up to see if I could get better audio when the microphone is pointed directly towards my mouth. Next, let's talk about the sound quality of this microphone. I think overall this mic does pick up my voice very well. Right now we're in a controlled environment, so the windscreen isn't something that we're testing at the moment. But in this environment, in a studio environment, I think the microphone is performing perfectly well. It's picking up my voice very clear. And being that the cable is foil shielded, it does cut down on interference, noise interference. And as we were able to see in our demonstration, it didn't matter if we had the extension cable plugged in or the lav mic running without the extension cable. In other words, the lav mic being plugged in directly into our recording interface, it didn't make a difference. There wasn't any additional noise introduced when using the extension cable. The noise level was pretty much the same whether we're going directly from the mic to the recording interface or going from the mic to the extension cable to the recording interface. Either way provided a very low noise ratio. So the foil shield in the cable is working really well there. So overall, I think the sound quality of this microphone is really good. And now for the $1,000,000 question. Is the Paladou Lavalier Lapel mic worth your hard-earned money? As of this recording, this microphone is selling for $19.66. That's $19.66. I think it's well worth the money. It's under $20. You can't go wrong with this lapel mic. You could pick up several if you're going to be doing interviews type of videos. And the fact that you're going to be able to plug this microphone into your smartphone, you're going to be able to dramatically improve the audio of your mobile recordings on your cell phone, being that this microphone does provide that shielded cable to cut down on noise interference getting into your recordings. And once you have a microphone close up to you, now you can take your smartphone or whatever recording device you're recording on, whether it be a voice recorder such as the one that we were using, the Zoom H5, or a DSLR such as the one that we tried it on, which is a Canon 80D. You're going to be able to plug it into any of those devices and be able to capture your voice clearly. And with this extension cable, 70-inch extension cable, you're going to be able to give yourself some distance away from the microphone, which adds a lot of flexibility to what you can do with this microphone. So overall, I think you're getting really good sound quality, and at under 20 bucks, I think it's a bargain price for a for this lapel mic, and it's something that you're going to be able to buy several and just have it available to you should the need come up for a recording purpose. This is going to complete my review of the Paladou Lavalier Lapel mic. If you found some value in this video, I would appreciate it if you were to hit the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, that way you get notified the next time we upload a new video. And on that note, I will see you on the next review.